Honored Judge, that I have to address a joint public meeting with Baba Ramdev in Mavlankar Auditorium at 3:30, and therefore I wanted to inform the court. And he said, you come before 12:30, and it is my confidence, based on the ambience in the court, that an order would be delivered today.
So you're expecting, are you again reading the body language, or do you have any information that the order will be given at 12:15?
I am smelling the ambience inside the court.
So there you have it, Dr. Subramanian Swamy saying that he's smelling the ambience inside the court.
What does he mean by smelling the ambience in the court?
What do you mean by smelling the ambience in the court? Can you just tell us, all our viewers have their eyes on you, Dr. Swamy?
I am an experienced person. I know what is going to happen as a premonition, and therefore I am telling you that I have been asked to be present in court before 12:30, and I will be, and I can add 2 and 2 and get 4 instead of 22 as some channels are getting nowadays, and I can say that I am confident that a judgment will be delivered today.
Dr. Swamy, you tweeted yesterday, and that's what got everybody guessing whether there will be a little bit of a delay. So have you changed? Has something changed between your tweet last night and the ambience that you read this morning?
No, I was preparing the patriotic tweeters who are very sympathetic to me and very enthusiastic not to expect a 2020 game in law. It is true that Supreme Court in rapid fire has hit number of sixers, so they don't expect every day a sixer, because then if your moods go up like this, they will also come down. So therefore I am trying to teach an even temper to my people friends, and that is what I said. Even if it is adjourned as is being said by the Congress, even then don't be disappointed. Law is a process, and we have to respect that process.
Dr. Swamy, everybody is talking about this entire judgment that is coming. Are you also bringing down the hopes on the judgment, or are you still bullish about the judgment?
That only the media channels are trying to play Mr. Chidambaram's role and trying to console him a little. The Supreme Court judgments are in no way support of Mr. Chidambaram. And one lawyer, in fact, went to the ridiculous extent of saying on Times Now that after every paragraph they have not said this should not influence the trial court. In the end, they have said this, that nothing should influence the trial court. The fact that Mr. Chidambaram was not consulted by Raja is an indictment of Mr. Chidambaram, because he was empowered to decide with him. He himself says he was empowered to decide with him. And therefore, if it is so that Raja didn't ignore, that means Raja had a pre-arrangement with Chidambaram, and these are matters which have to be fought in court. And it is in no way a clean chit to Mr. Chidambaram, as some media channels are making out.
Dr. Swamy, what's your bet today? At 12:15, what's the kind of order are you expecting?
I am expecting victory for the fight against corruption.
And what happens after that? In case the order doesn't go the way you expect it to, what's your next step going to be?
That's like asking, if this tree falls on my head, what will I do next? I'll go to the hospital. Same way, if a judgment goes adverse, I will go to the higher court.